Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix the Resident Evil 4 Remake not launching issue, so let's start. For the first step, go to the Windows search bar, after that go to settings. This dashboard will pop up, so go to the left menu and select Windows Update. Now you just need to install the latest update available. Make sure you have no failed updates like me, so if you do find one, make sure to select retry and just wait for the updates to finish. For the next step, go to the search bar once again. After that, search for NVIDIA app. Now this will pop up too. So in the left you can see the drivers element, so click on it. After that, make sure to download and install the latest available drivers you find. You can see the install button right here, so click on it. After that, select express installation for faster path. After that, click on continue to initiate the process. Go to the Windows taskbar. After that, go to this upside arrow. Now it depends on the launcher you have the game on. For me, Steam. If you do find the launcher icon right here, right click on it. After that, select exit in order to reset the process of the game. Now just go open the launcher once again. After that, go to library and select collections. You just need to search for the game and select it. For me, I have the classic game but not the remake, but it doesn't matter. I'm just going to show you the process of what to do, so make sure you follow my steps. So you just need to go to this gear icon, which is manage. After that, go click on properties. This tab will open, so go to the left menu and select installed files. After that, click on verify integrity of game files. It will start by verifying the original files of the game. If you do have any corrupted file, it will detect it and start recovering it without any issues. You just need to wait for this process to finish. After that, go to general, go to launch options and type in like me -dx12, and that's it. Go to the Windows icon right here. After that, make sure to restart your computer and your issue should be solved. If you find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.